Do you want to know how you can make money with Airbnb without owning a property? If so, this video is for you. You're going to do this business without having a property is creating a marketing agency strictly for Airbnb owners. A lot of other marketing agency strategies, like working with local businesses or working with online coaches and consultants, are pretty much saturated now, and a lot of people are doing that. You want to be able to step into a blue ocean, start in an industry where there's not a lot of competition. Starting a marketing agency strict for Airbnb owners is the way to go. If you go on Airbnb, you'll see a lot of pictures on there that are not good. They're poorly listed. The descriptions are poorly written and not exciting to get you to want to book. This marketing agency, you're going to be able to help these property owners be able to take advantage of having better pictures, better descriptions, and being able to market themselves online through regular advertising, through organic methods, and through other methods on social media. I'm not going to dive deep into this video of the exact ways you'll be able to do this, but if you guys want to see that, comment below and let me know, and I'll give a full in-depth video of how you can use these services. A lot of the services that you can provide for the Airbnb owners can be outsourced. You don't have to do a lot of the work. A lot of the work can be done by freelancers. You can hire people that work in-house. And if you guys want to learn how to do that, hit the subscribe button below and also comment. With this business, it's pretty much easy, because if you really look at it, listing Airbnbs, uploading pictures, and writing descriptions doesn't take a lot of time and work. Imagine you're able to get 10 clients paying you $1,000 per month to handle their listings, write the descriptions, and handle their bookings and stuff like that. You can easily make $10,000 per month. Times that three months down the line, you easily add $30K per month if you're able to get 10 clients per month. If you guys want a more in-depth video of how you guys can get started with an Airbnb marketing agency, comment below and hit the subscribe button.